Warren Buffett, widely known as the Oracle of Omaha, is one of the most successful investors of all time. With a net worth in the billions, he has amassed his fortune through a disciplined and time-tested approach to investing. While it may seem intimidating to follow in the footsteps of a legendary investor like Buffett, his blueprint for starting an investment journey is surprisingly straightforward and accessible to all. In this video, we will explore Warren Buffett's key principles and advice, guiding aspiring investors on how to begin their investment journey like a pro. 1. Educate yourself. Knowledge is your foundation. Before delving into the world of investing, Buffett stresses the importance of educating yourself thoroughly. Read books, attend seminars, and follow financial news to understand the fundamentals of finance and investing. Building a solid knowledge base is crucial to making informed decisions and avoiding common pitfalls. Buffett famously recommends starting with a book like Benjamin Graham's The Intelligent Investor, which lays the groundwork for value investing and emphasizes the importance of a margin of safety. 2. Invest in what you understand. Buffett's mantra is to invest in what you know. Avoid complex financial instruments or companies you can't grasp fully. Stick to businesses that align with your areas of expertise in industries you understand well. By investing in what you know, you can assess risks more accurately and make more informed choices. 3. Patience and long-term thinking. Buffett's blueprint emphasizes the value of patience and a long-term perspective. He famously said, "The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. Instead of trying to time the market or chasing short-term gains, focus on the long-term potential of your investments." Buffett often refers to his favorite holding period as forever. He looks for companies with durable competitive advantages and strong fundamentals, intending to hold them for the long haul. Embracing this patient approach allows you to ride out market fluctuations and capitalize on the power of compounding over time. 4. Value investing. Seek undervalued stocks. Value investing, a cornerstone of Buffett's strategy, involves seeking stocks that are undervalued relative to their intrinsic worth. Look for companies with strong fundamentals trading at a discount compared to their true value. Buffett advises investors to buy these undervalued stocks and hold on to them until the market recognizes their true worth. To identify undervalued stocks, pay attention to metrics like price-to-earnings ratio, price-to-book ratio, and free cash flow. This value-driven approach allows investors to buy shares of quality companies at a bargain, potentially yielding substantial returns in the long run. 5. Avoid emotional investing. Buffett advises investors to remain rational and avoid emotional decision-making. Fear and greed can lead to impulsive actions, such as panic selling during market downturns or chasing after hot stocks. Emotions can cloud judgment and lead to costly mistakes. Instead, focus on the fundamentals of the companies you invest in and let logic guide your investment decisions. 6. Consider dividend stocks. Dividend-paying stocks can provide a steady income stream and are an essential component of Warren Buffett's investment portfolio. Companies that pay dividends tend to be more stable and mature, making them suitable for long-term investors seeking regular income. Reinvesting dividends can accelerate the compounding effect and enhance overall returns. 7. Diversify, but with caution. While Buffett advocates for diversification, he cautions against excessive diversification that can lead to mediocre returns. Instead, focus on a concentrated portfolio of high-quality companies within your circle of competence. By concentrating your investments in a few businesses, you thoroughly understand you can make more informed decisions and achieve better results. 8. Learn from mistakes. Even the most successful investors, including Warren Buffett, make mistakes. It's essential to learn from your investment errors and use them as learning opportunities. Analyze why certain investments didn't perform as expected and adjust your strategy accordingly. Embracing a growth mindset allows you to continuously improve as an investor. Warren Buffett's blueprint for starting an investment journey like a pro is rooted in simplicity, patience, and discipline. Educating yourself about finance, investing in what you understand, and adopting a long-term perspective are key principles to follow. Embrace value investing by seeking undervalued stocks with strong fundamentals, and exercise caution when diversifying your portfolio. Remember, the journey to becoming a successful investor takes time, commitment, and a willingness to learn from both successes and failures. By following Warren Buffett's time-tested blueprint, you can embark on your investment journey with confidence and a greater likelihood of achieving your financial goals. Happy investing!